If we consider the night as the period from sunset to sunrise, then the last quarter of the night is the Brahma Muhurta time or creator of universe, anywhere between 3:30 a.m. to 5:30 or 6 a.m., or whatever is the time of sunrise. The nature of the planet's relationship with the sun and moon is such that certain physiological changes happen in the human system at this time. Medical science has even found that the waste material in your body, such as your urine for example, has certain qualities at that time, which it does not have at any other time of the day. There is substantial research into this. The entire body is in a certain conducive atmosphere, and there is a natural production of what is called melatonin, which is a secretion of the pineal gland. We want to make use of this because the pineal gland is secreting at its maximum during Brahma Muhurta, which means you can stabilize. In modern medicine, melatonin is seen as a mood stabilizer. I have been talking about bringing yourself to ease for a long time. Bringing yourself to ease means you are not a fluctuation. Coming to ease happens naturally during Brahma Muhurta. At this time, people want to sit up and do their spiritual processes so that they get the most benefit. Brahma Muhurta means the time of the Creator. You can look at it this way. It is the time when you can create yourself. You become the Brahman in the morning, so you can make yourself the way you want yourself to be. It is important to note that healthy persons are encouraged to wake up in Brahma Muhurta. This means that people who have ill health or suffering from health problems are exempted from this, as it may not be suitable for their altered health condition to wake up early. Waking up at the time of Brahma Muhurta is not suggested for pregnant women, children, people who have not digested last night's food, or patients suffering from serious ailments. Elderly people who have already adapted to a different biological cycle due to age can also choose not to get up on Brahma Muhurta. When you meditate in Brahma Muhurta, it absorbs all your tensions, keeping you peaceful and happy all day long. Practicing yoga in this time gives more benefits to your body. Meditation during Brahma Muhurta increases concentration. Brahma Muhurta is the perfect time to connect with God.